Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Infinix S4. So guys, let's start with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Infinix S4. This is the latest budget smartphone by Infinix in India. And inside you get the S4 smartphone. Has a very nice gradient finish on the back. Inside you get the SIM tray removal pin, the documentation, warranty card, etc. And you also get a 5V 2Ah charger along with a micro USB cable on the inside. There's a transparent TPU cover which is present on the inside along with the warranty card, etc. And this would definitely get yellow over time. And you also get a plastic screen protector for this device. Talking about the build and design, there's 2.5D glass on front as well as the back. There's a fingerprint sensor, triple camera setup at the back along with the LED flash. And this device definitely looks beautiful. At the bottom there's the micro USB port, 3.5mm jack, the speaker grill, and the sides are curved. And on the left hand side you get the SIM tray slot for this one, which supports dedicated micro SD card expansion, which is a good thing to have. And at the back the camera bump is slightly protruding out. If we talk about the display, it has a 6.2-inch HD plus water drop notch display, and the chin is slightly big considering a lot of things, but still in this price segment almost every smartphone comes with a chin like this one. The display angles were good, the viewing angles were good, color saturation felt nice. And if I talk about what's on the inside, it comes with the Helio P22 chipset, 32GB of internal storage, 3GB of RAM. And if you talk about the sensors, it does come up with almost all of the sensors which are required for a great smartphone experience. 23.2GB of storage is free on the inside, and it supports USB OTG. The read-write speed for a smartphone like this was really good. And if you talk about the benchmark performance, the Helio P22 is not a really very hard-hitting chipset. It's an okay chipset at best, and the Geekbench scores and Antutu scores all point towards the same. Now let's talk about the gaming performance of the smartphone. It supports PUBG on low settings, and the Helio P22 chipset is not a really good gaming chipset. At best you can get medium FPS on this one, no option for high FPS. And that's something which a lot of people won't really like that much, but the gameplay experience was good enough and I was able to get winner chicken dinner by just playing till the end. And there was no significant heating on this device, so that's also something good. There's also the fact that it has only a 720p HD plus display, which makes sure that the performance does not take too much of a hit. But other than that, I felt that it could have been certainly better in the performance department. The user interface etc is okay. It comes with their custom launcher, which is XOS based on Android 9 Pie. There's an intelligent notification blocker, and the app drawer is also present on this smartphone. It also comes with few other dedicated shortcuts etc for a lot of people. Some people might like the experience, some people might not like the experience. You can always put a custom launcher on top in case you don't like something like this, but it's okay. And what I found was that the intelligent notification blocker was something which was very persistent in terms of the notification even when you want to disable it. So I guess that's something which these guys need to improve and need to remove this. Maybe I don't want such a feature, then there should be an option to completely disable it. More than half the RAM was free at any given point of time, so that wasn't much of an issue, and RAM management felt okay on the 3GB RAM version for this device. There were some bloatware apps pre-installed, but the option to uninstall them was also present, so it wasn't much of an issue. Wideband L1 support is not present as of now for this device. Maybe they can improve it in the future. Gcam is fully supported, but I wasn't able to find any working Gcam version. The face unlock on this one is pretty fast for a lot of users and for low light scenarios as well. That was good. The fingerprint sensor on the back was also fast enough for your normal day-to-day usage, so that wasn't an issue at all. And now let's do a sound check. The device comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which really lasts long, easily up to 1.5 days of battery backup. And if I talk about the camera sensors, it has a 13 megapixel primary camera at the back and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. There's also another 8MP wide angle sensor, and you can switch between all of the modes. 1080p video recording is supported on this phone, and I found that the camera samples were really good. I could switch between the normal mode and the wide mode easily, and the kind of detail that the camera gave was pretty good. I only had one minor complaint, that in the portrait mode the edge detection is still not fixed till now, and there is no stabilization present in the front as well as the back camera videos. That's something I would like to see fixed. This device would retail for a price of 8,999 rupees, and for such a price it offers you a 32 megapixel selfie camera, triple rear camera, 4000 mAh battery, does offer a lot of good things, and maybe skimps down on the performance. The Helio P22 chipset isn't exactly what you would call a very heavy performer, and I would definitely have liked a better chipset on this one, but still it does offer good stuff for the price. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.